And getting you some breaking news coming in at the top of 8:15 a.m. related to Babar Qadri's murder case. As per insiders in the police department, 3 detainees have told the Jammu and Kashmir police that the order for Advocate Syed Babar Qadri's assassination came from the central jail in Srinagar. Babar was assassinated on the 24th of December at his residence at around 6:40 p.m. My colleague Zeenat is on the phone lines with us to give us some more clarity on this. Zeenat, very important development coming in related to the Babar Qadri murder case. We're getting in news that the order for the assassination came from Srinagar. The latest coming in on this. Over to you.
See, Babar was assassinated on 24th of September, which is exactly 3 months from this time. And in fact, he was murdered in the evening when 2 of the gunmen fired upon him from a close range at his residence because they told him that they are the clients, because Advocate Babar was practicing in Srinagar court. Now, we have been told from Jammu Kashmir Police that the detainees have been arrested in Babar Qadri's case. They have told Jammu Kashmir Police that they have received the orders from the central jail of Srinagar for Babar's assassination. This is the first breaking news of the update rather from Babar Qadri's assassination. Babar, who was killed on 24th of September this year. Babar was quite vocal about the Pakistan things doing in Kashmir, and he was vocal about the things that were going on in J&K High Court. If you remember, if you go to his Facebook and see the post, the last post that he posted was also related to the president of J&K High Court. Jammu and Kashmir police have been investigating the murder case quite closely and yet they have kept eyes on all the eyewitnesses and everything was recorded. Since then, now they are getting some breaking that the orders for Babar's murder had come from the central jail Srinagar. See, if you talk about the central jail Srinagar, it is one of the jails which is filled with the high criminals, particularly who have been in the terrorism for a long time, and they have a lot of links across also.
Of course, all important developments coming in there. Zeenat, stay with us as we address some more breaking news coming in.